Boom shakalaka, we have a massive Bitcoin breakout coming out in the next few days. Today's video, we're going to take a look at where exactly Bitcoin could go and why I am hesitantly scared. You definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at Bitcoin and some of the latest charts to see where Bitcoin price could head, because there is a massive breakout right here, this wedge, that is going to happen in the next couple days. And this is a definitive Bitcoin move. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Come join us over on Twitter at the Crypto Love. Push the like button. Now, today, Fear 28, same as we were previously yesterday. People are scared once again. The overall market down about 1% today. Bitcoin at 21,148, Ethereum at 1582, BNB at 297, XRP 33 cents, Cardano 45 cents, Solana $34, and Dogecoin 6 cents. And if you want to know the top coins today based on artificial intelligence and machine learning, they would be Ascendex, Kyber Network Crystal, Shiba Inu, Cosmos Hub, and Chiliz. And one thing I do want you guys to note here, look at how large of this portfolio allocation is stable coins. That gives me a little hesitation about the upcoming move for Bitcoin. There is a 1-week free trial to Token Metrics down in the description. Now, as you can see here, we have this wedge that Bitcoin has been forming over the past few days, and Bitcoin has been riding this bottom trend line since middle of June, since the bottom at the Pi cycle bottom right here. Well, we've been riding that line, and there's the possibility Bitcoin could break below there, retesting previous all-time highs, $20,000. But let's take a look at the charts. Right now, DXY is screaming higher. Can't even draw a proper parabola. It looks ridiculous. Oftentimes, DXY and Bitcoin go in opposite directions. So if DXY is screaming higher, well, Bitcoin could be taking a little bit of a tumble. However, if we take a look here, stable coins right now are still rushing back into cryptos. If we take a look here, the stable coins is the red and orange chart. Bitcoin price is this orange chart. They have an inverse correlation similar to DXY and Bitcoin. Well, as people put more money back into Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, price would have to go up. This is where we start to see a real change in character of the price action from its never-ending downtrend. If we take a look here, have we been wicked off once again? I mean, how many times can you get wicked off with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies? I'm sure the answer is a lot. But looks like Bitcoin is in the final stages of the wick-off cycle. So we can see that right now it's following very similar to what happened here, where we have the start accumulation phase, the fast price move, building pretension, trend continuation, and then going down, start accumulation, fast price move, building pretension, continued trend, and then we have start accumulation phase before it goes back up. So we might have Bitcoin price going up due to this. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin pattern recognition, they repeat over and over, strong buy signal on the logarithmic MACD. Last time was more than 3 years ago, followed by strong bull phase 20x. As we can see here on the logarithmic MACD, we can see this reversal signal right here. Now the reversal signal here pretty much predicts the top. The reversal signal down here pretty much picked out the bottom. Well, we saw the top similar to that April 2021 top. Well, they're crossing over once again, suggesting that this is the bottom. Not only that, but we had long enough time length. This was 385 days. We've already had 520 days. We had 50% drop below that line, which we've already had, and a double bottom. So could this be it before Bitcoin rockets off? Right now, if we take a look at the correlation between Bitcoin and call put ratio, the pattern has repeated itself again and again, where we have these ascending levels of the call put ratio before the bottom and price launch. So we have the ascending thing before bottom and price launch. And once again, we have ascending call put ratios before potentially bottom and price launch. People are saying this time is different. You're hearing it all over the place. This time is different. What if it's not? Because this is the same narrative. I remember 2018, 2019. Everybody was talking about how it's just dead. And what if it's just the same thing over and over again? This guy, Bernard Baruch, says, show me the charts and I will tell you the news. If we take a look at the extreme network capitulation SOPR 90-day EMA, we can see that every time it reversed, that was a bottom, reversed, bottom, reversed, bottom, reversed. Figure it out for yourself. Now, if we take a look at this chart, this is another one where we have a reversal that could again indicate a bottom. This line down here is the 50-day MA over the 50-week MA, and we can see that when we had a reversal on the upside, that was pretty close to the top. But we have reversals on the downside right now, pretty darn close to the bottom, as we have seen previously. And look at this, it's turning back up, suggesting that this could potentially be a bottom. Now, where could it go? It may go down. It may still go down. There's a possibility it could still go down. But all of the charts, if Bitcoin goes down, there's going to be some widespread economic collapse that's going to be a lot worse than whatever's going to happen to Bitcoin, because we've been preparing for this recession for 2+ years at this point. We're still talking about COVID-19. It's 2022. It's 3 years old. This is no surprise. So if things fail at this point, it's going to be really bad. But more than likely, it's just completely overblown. If we take a look here, Bitcoin's Fibonacci path. Fibonacci is a fantastic tool for forecasting potential retracements and extension targets. If history repeats itself, here's a path Bitcoin could follow on its way up to the future cycle. So we saw A, 38.2% retrace, B, 78.6% retrace, C, 78.6% retrace, D, 200% extension. Now we have A, 38.2% retrace, nailed it. B, 78.6% retrace into the $50,000 area, which based on the charts that I showed yesterday, we have a very, very good chance, 88% chance of hitting. C, 76% retrace down to roughly where we just were, about the low to mid 20s, before launching up to about $200,000 per Bitcoin. Or if that's not convincing enough for you, we could take a look at this Bitcoin roadmap. The roadmap for Bitcoin by the next halving, a rally all the way to the reload zone 49 to 58,000, correction to get the wick off check, then up to the halving and beyond. So basically, if Bitcoin were to repeat what it did previously, we just got wicked off, and then we had the wick off check, and then we have a strong rally. So we just got wicked off, we have a wick off check coming up, and then strong rally all the way up to roughly $200,000 per Bitcoin. So buckle your seatbelts. It's definitely going to be an exciting ride. But like I mentioned, big Bitcoin move coming in the next few days. This will definitely give us an indication of, is it time to be scared? Or maybe it was completely overblown. So that's all for today's episode. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. I will catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.